In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft PC Manager on your Windows laptop or PC. For it, just go to your Windows search option. Then first of all, you need to search for Microsoft Store. And here you can see Microsoft Store. You just need to click on it. After that, you need to search over here Microsoft PC Manager. Then press enter. And there you can see we are seeing an option over here called Microsoft PC Manager, and this is free. So right now, if we just click on it, it will show us this option, this get option. You need to click on get, then give a permission, yes, and it will start downloading Microsoft PC Manager. And there you can see it is installing and the installation is complete. There you can see the open option. If we now click on open, it will open the Microsoft PC Manager over here. Just click here on start. Then here you can see you'll be able to boost or check your PC health using PC Manager. So I hope you're able to successfully install Microsoft PC Manager. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.